In the heart of the Olympic Peninsula, shrouded in thick mists and cloaked in a verdant embrace, there lies a kingdom ruled not by kings and queens, but by ancient trees and secretive wildlife. This is the Hoh Rainforest, one of the few temperate rainforests in the United States, a place where every inch of soil and sky narrates a story of survival and majesty. But the Hoh is not alone. Scattered across America are hidden gems of similar stature. Rainforests whose lush canopies and rare creatures are lesser known yet equally vital to the ecological fabric of the nation. Diving into these enchanted forests reveals a vibrant tapestry of life and the urgent ongoing battle to preserve these fragile ecosystems from the relentless march of human impact. This essay invites you on a journey into the heart of America's rainforests, exploring their mystical landscapes, remarkable biodiversity, and the critical conservation efforts that aim to protect these precious natural resources for generations to come. The Olympic National Park, home to four distinct rainforests, Hoh, Quinault, Queets, and Bogachiel, offers a profound glimpse into a world where nature's lush bounty is displayed with unparalleled extravagance. The Hoh Rainforest, perhaps the most famous among them, welcomes visitors with its towering Sitka spruces and western hemlocks, some reaching up to 300 feet tall. The air, perpetually damp, carries the fresh, earthy scent of moss that clings to every tree and rock, creating a vibrant tapestry of green that stretches endlessly in every direction. Underneath these colossal giants, the forest floor tells its own tale of ecological richness. Nurse logs serve as natural incubators for new life, supporting ferns, fungi, and young trees that will one day rise to the canopy. The symphony of dripping water, the call of the rufous hummingbird, and the rustle of the Roosevelt elk moving through underbrush fill the auditory landscape, creating a setting that is both tranquil and teeming with life. In contrast to the omnipresent green, bursts of color are provided by the likes of the Pacific rhododendron and the calypso orchid, adding to the forest's mystical allure. This biodiversity is not just a feast for the eyes, but serves as a crucial habitat for a myriad of species, many of which are endemic to this unique climate. Far from the lush expanses of the West Coast, the Appalachian Mountains host their own version of a rainforest, predominantly composed of spruce fir forests. Here, the climate is harsher, the mountains steeper, and the trees draped in a delicate frost rather than raindrops. The high elevations and the cool, moist conditions mimic those of more northern latitudes, creating an island of boreal forest in the southern United States. This unique environment is home to the Fraser fir and the red spruce, trees that form the backbone of this high-altitude ecosystem. These forests are critical winter habitats for the endangered Carolina northern flying squirrel and a refuge for the elusive spruce fir moss spider. However, they are under threat. The spruce fir rainforests are particularly sensitive to climate change, with rising temperatures and altered precipitation patterns affecting their survival. Sadly, the spruce fir forests are also facing the devastating impacts of the balsam woolly adelgid, an invasive pest that has decimated large swaths of fir trees. The struggle to save these Appalachian gems is a poignant reminder of the broader challenges facing rainforests globally, challenges compounded by environmental changes and human interference. Conservation efforts to safeguard these precious rainforests are diverse and dynamic, reflecting the complexity of the challenges they face. In the Olympic National Park, initiatives such as the Olympic Habitat Development Study aim to enhance salmon habitat, which in turn supports a whole food chain, from birds to large mammals like bears and cougars. Programs targeting invasive species, pollution reduction, and the establishment of protected areas are critical, but they also require public support and awareness. Engaging local communities, educating tourists, and promoting sustainable land use practices are all part of the conservation toolkit. Sustainable tourism practices are essential in promoting conservation while allowing people to enjoy and learn from these natural environments. In rainforests like those in the Olympic National Park, guided tours help educate visitors about the ecological importance of the forest while minimizing human impact. Paths and boardwalks are designed to protect the undergrowth and prevent soil erosion, and strict guidelines help reduce litter and human-wildlife interactions. By investing in these practices, visitors can experience the majesty and mystery of America's rainforests without contributing to their degradation, ensuring that these spectacular ecosystems endure for future explorers to marvel at. Through understanding and appreciating the intrinsic value of these diverse ecosystems, Whether by exploring their beauty firsthand or supporting conservation efforts from afar, we can ensure that the rainforests within the United States remain vibrant and vital parts of our natural heritage.